How can you define cube roots of unity? Cube roots of unity are those numbers each of whose cube is 1. How can you determine cube roots of unity? Solution. Let x be a cube root of unity, then x raised to power 3 is equal to 1. This implies x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x raised to power 3 minus 1 can be written as 1 raised to power 3. This is equal to 0. Now we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Therefore, this can be written as x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 1. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is quadratic formula. Here the value of a is 1, b is 1 and c is 1. So the solution of this equation is minus 1 plus minus square root of square of 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1 over 2 into 1. This implies x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 square of 1 is 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1 is equal to 4 over 2. This is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 over 2. This is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 can be written as square root of 3 into iota divided by 2. This implies x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 3 iota over 2. Second value is minus 1 minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. So the three cube roots of unity are the three cube roots of unity are 1 minus 1 plus square root of 3 iota divided by 2 and minus 1 minus square root of 3 iota over 2. One is a real cube root of unity, while minus 1 plus square root of 3 iota over 2 and minus 1 minus square root of 3 iota over 2 are are complex cube root of unity. Complex cube root cube roots of unity.